will also call me as Pandit Ji because I belong to a Pandit family. I was born on 23rd July 1906 in Madhya Pradesh. On being presented before the district magistrate, I gave my name as Azad. Yes, because I wanted Azadi for my country. My father's name as Swatantrata and my home as jail. I was involved in the Kakori train robbery, the shooting of Saunders, and at last in the attempt to blow up the Viceroy of India's train. We will face the bullets of the enemy. We are free and will always remain free. Yes, I had pledged that the Britishers would never be able to capture me alive. After a long shootout on 27th Feb, holding true to my pledge to always remain Azad and never be captured alive, I shot myself with my last bullet. Vande Mataram! But I decided not to surrender. I chose struggle. I chose victory. I chose freedom. I chose sacrifice. Yes, I chose my motherland. I fought as a great warrior till my last breath, only saying, मैं मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी, मैं मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. I'm still alive in the hearts of the people. चमक उठी सन 57 में वो तलवार पुरानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. हर हर महादेव, हर हर महादेव, भारत माता की जय. Thank you. Trusha Swapnil Patil, studying in 2nd A. Today I am playing a role of great freedom fighter Mangal Pandey. I was born in Nagwa Barrack district of UP in 1827 of Brahmin family. I joined Bengal Army in 1849 at the age of 22. I revolted against the bullet cartridges made of animal fat. I played an important role in 1857 revolution. I was arrested and executed on 8 April 1857. Hallabo! Thank you. Namaste. Good morning, respected teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Mudra Lilesh Parab. I am a first standard. Today I am presenting a Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. My name is Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. My real name is Keshav. I was born on 23rd July 1856 in Chikli village of Pragnagiri. I am a great freedom fighter of India. My father's name is Gangadhar Tilak. He was a school teacher. My mother's name is Parvati Bai. I give slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. I started 2 newspapers, Kesari and Maratha. I love by the people. I use pens against by the Britishers. I started public celebration, Ganeshwastha and Shiv Jayanti, so that people are together, do or die for Swarajya, do or die for Swarajya. Swarajya, Swarajya, Swarajya. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.
मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा। वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
लड़े वो वीर जवानों की तरह, ठंडा खून फौलाद हुआ, मरते मरते भी मार गिराए, तभी तो देश आजाद हुआ। भारत माता की जय।